This show is brought to you by
Telecom Egypt sees a 48% year-on-year revenue rise, and Tabreed to provide cooling services in India. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Telecom Egypt saw a 48% year-on-year rise in its Q1 consolidated revenue to $453.1 million. The company registered growth across the board, especially wholesale units, which constituted 70% of the total growth. This was backed by 86% higher infrastructure revenues year-on-year and growing US dollar-denominated revenue streams. Excluding non-operating one-offs, net profit during the quarter surged 144% year-on-year to $132.7 million. This was due to healthy margins and increased investment income that overshadowed the higher depreciation and amortization and finance costs. UAE-based utility giant Tabreed is investing $12.1 million in the Tata Realty-owned Intellion Park Special Economic Zone development in Gurugram, India. Tabreed will acquire the existing cooling infrastructure at the Intellion Park development, which covers a total area of 3.5 million square feet. It can also develop additional capacity to meet the development's rising demand for cooling services. It means Tabreed will be providing the cooling solutions for tenants of Intellion Park. Officials say India is a key market as Tabreed expands internationally. Saudi Aramco says its wholly owned subsidiary Mukamala Aviation company has been transformed into a separate entity to boost operational efficiency. Mukamala Aviation had been operating as one of the oil giant's departments. Aramco says the transition to a separate company has been completed without changes to staff and quality of service. The move aims to increase operational efficiency and improve the kingdom's corporate aviation and logistics sector in line with Vision 2030. Mukamala will continue to provide flight services to Aramco. Nvidia is on track to breach $1 trillion in market cap for the first time. Meta, Apple, Alphabet, Microsoft, and Amazon are the other U.S. companies that are part of the club. AI took center stage after the chipmaker stunned investors with a revenue forecast last week that surpassed analyst expectations by more than 50%. Wall Street analysts called Nvidia's forecast unfathomable and cosmological, hiking their price targets in droves. Nvidia's shares rose 25% last week, sparking a rally in AI-related stocks. Meanwhile, global leaders should be working to reduce the risk of extinction from AI technology. That's according to a group of industry chiefs, including Sam Altman, whose firm OpenAI created ChatGPT. A statement signed by dozens of specialists said tackling the risks from AI should be a global priority alongside other societal scale risks like pandemics and nuclear war. ChatGPT sparked billions of dollars of investment into AI, but critics and insiders have warned over everything from biased algorithms to massive job losses as a consequence of mass AI adoption. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's wealthiest people. Our biggest loser today is once again Indonesian coal billionaire Loh Tak Kwang. He's down $2.8 billion and is left with net wealth of $22.8 billion. Our second biggest loser today is Gautam Adani, down $1.1 billion with a net wealth of $52.7 billion. And our third place loser is the world's wealthiest woman, Francoise Bettencourt Myers. She's down $845 million and still with net wealth of $87.2 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. And staying with billionaires, Elon Musk's private jet landed in Beijing today. Musk is expected to meet senior Chinese officials and visit Tesla's Shanghai plant. Musk's private jet was shown leaving Alaska before crossing over Japan and South Korea. The Chinese Foreign Ministry said Beijing welcomes Musk or other business leaders to visit China and promote mutual beneficial cooperation. China is Tesla's second largest market after the U.S., and the Shanghai plant is the EV maker's largest production hub. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
This show is brought to you by